All right, so this is another very simple n8n workflow. This consists of a form. This is where I will be entering information. Then there is this workflow configuration. This one is going to fetch the Oracle invoice, and then it is going to extract the items within that invoice, and then it's going to create an HTML table, and then it will display that information on the UI also. Okay. So let's first go to fetch Oracle invoices. So if you notice this, if I double click, this is a get method. Okay, and then I have also set up basic authentication, Oracle's authentication. If you go to this, you will see that I've used my username and the password here. So this is already connected. Okay. So let's go back. So this one is the fetch Oracle invoice. Okay. So let's try to execute this. So first thing is it's telling me enter the business unit and the customer. I think it's UK business unit. And this one is ABC Corporation Americas. I'm just using these to fetch. So once I do this, you can see that this is fetching that information. Let's see what it does. So you can see here it says one item, and then it's extracting 25 items. So the default limits for any REST API is 25. It's showing me that, and then it says create HTML table, and then the display the record. And in the bottom, you can see these are the different logs. This is the output. You can see there is a count of 25. You scroll down, the items which was retrieved from the REST API all displays over here. Okay, so you can see all the items of the REST API displayed there. Now, if I go to look at this one, this is the pop-up. This basically extracts information and shows it in the HTML table. And I only asked it to select the invoice number, customer name, payment status, and the due date. So it's just like a simple workflow which extracts information from the REST API using an n8n and displays that on the UI. Okay, so this can be triggered at different times. So you can build automations using this, like as soon as something happens, like as soon as a invoice gets created, you know you can run this process and then send a notification to somebody that that invoice was getting created. You can even use this in a payable side where an email is received with the attachment, just like our OCR IDR. As soon as the invoice gets received, you can extract data from that. You can actually create a payable invoice out of it. So that's another way we can automate this process. Okay, so just wanted to quickly show you, Nathan. Thank you.